So now I am talking about relational operators. What are the relational operators, guys? Can you tell me? I want an answer from you. Please, if you are feeling like a dumb, then I cannot do anything else. Please, I'm asking you guys. Please tell me, what are the relational operators we have? Less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, double equal to, not equal to. These operators also known as the comparison operators. Are you clear? Yes, sir. Right. So now I need an appropriate examples where we are going to use relational operators. Let me write one particular statement that relational operators are also known as comparison operators. Right. Relational operators are also used to compare not only numeric values but also string also. Do you know the difference between string and numerical values, right? We can compare both numerical values as well as string values. Yes or no? Let's take now an appropriate example to compare with the strings. Anyhow, let's suppose print is EC percentage 76 is less than the 96 or not. CSC percentage, pass percentage 96. 76 is the EC pass percentage, overall pass percentage of the college. Whenever if I would like to compare these two, what would be the result is going to be produced? It will be there in the form of a true or false. Let's see the output. Is that true? Less than operator is the relational operator. When two entities characteristics, two numerical values will be compared their characteristic appropriate manner, the condition is produce a related output. Other example, your mobile battery is 19 degrees less than 20 degrees. See, whenever everybody is mobile, most probably, when the battery backup or mobile battery backup goes down less than the 20, the mobile is going to give you, there is a message that kindly plug in your mobile to the charger as your mobile battery is low. If the mobile will give you true or false related outputs, will you understand how you are going to write this particular scenario? Here, there is a control statements are mandatory. There is a control statement is mandatory now. If your mobile battery, current mobile battery is less than 19, less than 20, then I would like to alert to the user, hey, your battery is low, kindly plug to the charger. This is a message. Else, ఒకవేళ equal to 20 ఉన్నా, ఒకవేళ greater than 20 ఉన్నా, nothing. It's not going to give you any more. It's not going to give you any more messages to you. Are you clear? That's all. This is a way how exactly I would like to write a program for the real world purpose. As the battery is 19, therefore it is giving. In case if I make 20 less than or equal to, it is equal to, right? Then it's not going to give you any output to you. You see once what happened? Oh, equal to also it will be given. Otherwise, you can remove that. Why it has not given any output? Because 20 is not lesser than 20. Condition gets failed. When the condition gets failed, else part is going to be executed. This is the behavior of the if-else statements. Are you clear, guys? Yes or no? Similarly, if the body temperature of the man will be 96 less than 100, Arogya Setu app is going to give you that, you know what? You are negative corona. In case if it is greater than 100, obviously it is going to tell you that, you know what? It is positive. This is the way how real world applications are going to build with the help of if-else statements concepts. Similarly, I'm talking about numerical comparisons. If the flight fuel level, is less than 10 liters per hour, kilometers, like no, if the flight, generally, in our cars or our bikes, we used to have a petrol in a reserve, some liters of petrol, then it will be start blinking. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారో లేదు అంటే ఆ డాష్ బోర్డ్ లో కూడా ఇఫెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మన మొబైల్ కార్లు అన్నింట్లో. when the level of the fuel will be go to the certain level, proactively, optimally, అంటే నీవు మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడో లాంగ్ జర్నీలో వెళ్ళి ఫారెస్ట్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు పెట్రోల్ అయిపోయింది కార్ ఆగిపోతే ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది కదా. అట్లీస్ట్ 50 కిలోమీటర్స్ ముందే నీకు alert message వస్తుంది. it will be give you the petrol symbol alert message blinking that the petrol is below level. Kindly go for the fuel level, you just fill the fuel. కానీ కార్లో ఇవన్నీ మనం ఆపి గమ్మని కూర్చోవచ్చు, కానీ ఫ్లైట్ ఏం చేస్తాను, పేలిపోవడమే, ఏం చేయలేం. సో if the petrol level is below 10, it will be first, because there are 5 tracks at an airport, at a 5 ఏమంటారు వాటిని, runways. Exactly, runways. There are 10 flights are in the queue. To which flight you wanted to give the priority to land first? The air like airplane which will have a less than fuel level. అక్కడ పిఎం ఉండొచ్చు ఇంకో ఫ్లైట్ లో, లేకపోతే అనిల్ అంబానీ ఉండొచ్చు, డజంట్ మ్యాటర్, వాడు ఓన్ ఫ్లైట్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. రన్వేస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఓన్ ఫర్ పిఎం ఆర్ సిఎం, it is for all. Correct? Now the point is that now I will be give you the priority to the pilot that hey, land first. That's a priority will be given. Remaining all the flights need to be wait in the air. They need to wait. But most of the 90% of the time, the flight might not have this issue, because tank capacity will be more, but certain situations might be happen due to leakage of the petrol. Flight is also having a petrol. Do you know that? That petrol is little high power petrol. Okay, that's all. See, my job is being a teacher here. I just wanted to give you a list of applications where the if-else statements are mandatory. Are you clear? Great. I think these are few examples I'm telling you. I'll be give you assignment questions too, so that you can able to solve them properly. Now let's go ahead with, I told that even comparison operators can also be compared. Strings to string comparisons. PAN name. See, there is a new newer nowadays, you might know or not, I don't know. Your Aadhaar name and PAN name should be equal in terms of surname, first name and last name. If they are not equal, your bank account is getting hold. Do you know that? Somebody might have got that particular issue. Which means what? The PAN name might be Alladi Training Institute, or else Alladi Cloud Training. Alladi is the first name, second name, third name. It's a surname like, correct? And because even for organization also PAN card will be there. Do you know that? Do you know or not? మనిషికే కాదు ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ కూడా పాన్ కార్డ్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. లెట్ సపోజ్ దెర్ ఇస్ ఆధార్ కార్డ్, ఆధార్ నేమ్ అల్లాడి క్లౌడ్ ట్రెండ్. సార్ నా ఇప్పుడు మనము కరెంట్ అకౌంట్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్కి. క్లియర్? నా వీ వాంటెడ్ a comparison between if PAN name is equal to Aadhaar name, then obviously the option is going to be you are successfully opened an account with us. That's a bank message. Else print according to your bank account has been suspended due to name mismatch between PAN and Aadhaar. Kindly resolve to unblock your account. This message might get, to the people. Clear? Now you tell me, you see now what message you are going to get. I think fuel level, what's the problem here? Fuel level I haven't declared here. We have to declare the variable. Fuel level is equal to 9. 9 is less than 10, right? So obviously it will be give you result is that hey, land first. That's the result. Comes to the string comparison, you are successfully opened an account with us because both the name PAN and Aadhaar will be equal. Else, let me change now. Small mistake I'll do. Now you see the output. Your account has been suspended due to the name mismatch between Aadhaar and kindly resolve to unlock your account. This is how the if-else statements are mandatory using the relational operators. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇంతవరకు ఏం చూసారు? లెస్ దాన్ చూసారు, డబుల్ ఈక్వల్ చూసారు. గ్రేటర్ దాన్ అంటే ఏంటి? Let's suppose I'll take another example where we supposed to give the greater than. Let's suppose here only we can use. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, if the fuel level will be greater than 9, greater than 10, ఈ కింద ఉన్న లాజిక్ పైకి వస్తుంది, పైన ఉన్న లాజిక్ కిందకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఎస్ సార్ నో? ఇన్ కేస్ if in case logic if you change, so my justification is that when to apply less than, when to apply greater than. That's your wish. No, ఇలా అన్నారా, both the logic is same. However, that solves the problem. Yes sir, no? Double equal already you have seen. ఇక్కడ డబుల్ ఈక్వల్ ప్లేస్ లో నేను నాట్ ఈక్వల్ కూడా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇఫ్ ద పాన్ నేమ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆధార్ నేమ్, కింద ఉన్న లాజిక్ పైకి వస్తుంది, పైన ఉన్న లాజిక్ కిందకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. మీరు రాయండి, మీరు అసైన్మెంట్లో రాయండి. See, my problem is, I'll give you some more examples to you. Now you have to now write assignments. Now only you have to write and show. Write a program whether candidate is eligible for the driving license. What is the condition for taking a driving license? Yes or no? What? Great. I'm expecting that only because you should have a common sense and you know that already. Clear? Now, write a program using using conditional statements, whether a man is eligible to take insurance policy or not. So I'll give you this particular file to you. You need not to write about all this. You can get this particular file to you. I'll share with you. Write a program using conditional statements. Given number is even or odd. Write a program using conditional statements given year is leap or not. Write a program using conditional statements given number is positive or negative. Write a program using conditional statements given character is vowel or consonant or digit or special character. I need an answer for all these questions. So I'm going to give you this particular file to in the WhatsApp group. Please, kindly follow them. File పంపిస్తానమ్మా. Just you see that. I'm sending you arithmetic operators and the laws, which is relational and theory also.